How to fix duplicate orders being created in your store. To fix duplicate orders being created in your store, start by identifying the cause. Duplicate orders often happen when customers click the Place Order button multiple times due to slow loading. This can be prevented by disabling the button after the first click and showing a loading indicator. If your store uses scheduled tasks or cron jobs, make sure they aren't misconfigured and triggering the same order process more than once. Also, validate incoming webhooks to avoid repeated triggers from external services. To prevent future duplicates, add checks to see if a similar order has already been placed recently by the same customer. Monitor your system for abnormal order behavior using error tracking. If duplicate orders have already been created, you can manually cancel or refund them for review. If the issue continues and you're using a platform like Shopify or Wix, reaching out to their support team may be necessary for a deeper fix. Thanks for watching.